So in your first alert forecast, it is a milder morning. Just some are warmer than others, especially on the plateau. So we'll call you the outliers. You get to be cozier, but it's still going to be a warm day ahead for all. So windy day too, kind of dressed there for those winds, starting out with those mid to upper 40s on average for your morning lows in the valley. Then we continue to crank it up. So again, Knoxville drops to around 45, cooler east, warmer west, 69 at noon. Leveling out there. Everybody gets that winds, those warmth to fill in. So that's where we top out at 79 degrees today. Well above average here. Gustier winds are moving in that warmth with scattered clouds, but really only a spotty shower. It's late evening that rain is moving in, 7 to 8 plateau and spreading out to end the day. So we're still on track for a mostly dry day. Warm and, well, windy one too. Those winds pick up, you can see midday to afternoon. I just started it at noon because that's when we find those winds really picking up on into the overnight as well as the fronts actually passing. Those gusts pick up to 15, 20 miles per hour, occasionally a little stronger, especially for those of you in higher elevations. Gusts are closer to 30 and then even 40 plus in the Smokies. Meanwhile, most of you are just seeing scattered clouds during the day. And then notice as we get into that 7 to 8 o'clock hour, there's that scattered rain moving on to the plateau. Light to moderate rain, isolated heavier downpours, isolated rumbles of thunder. Holds together a bit better right here on the plateau. Just kind of smooth sailing with that elevation change down into the valley. Starts breaking up. 10 to 11 o'clock. Those kind of choppy rain here. Not everybody getting the rain. Breaks up even more valley to northeast Tennessee. And we're really left with some spotty rain left over for the rest of the night. Clouds, though, are going to linger tomorrow. So that's going to end up leaving us cooler. In that rain forecast where you live, you can see that big difference of west to east. Again, this is part of it falling apart as it moves in. So a few hundredths to a quarter of an inch at best for most of the valley and east. See some choppy, a little bit heavier rain kind of coming onto the plateau, and then it falls apart quarter to a third with isolated higher amounts. Meanwhile, you're getting a few hundredths to a tenth of an inch in much of the valley to Tennessee, Kentucky line, and only a few hundredths far northeast Tennessee. What we're all left with tomorrow, the cloud cover. It really looks like it's going to linger longer, a couple little light showers in the morning, and this is going to keep us cooler in addition to the fact that those winds are turning and colder air is trying to move in. So your Wednesday planner, while the high is actually midnight, mid 60s, which you'll feel during the day, low 50s in the morning, and then an afternoon temperature only around 60 degrees. So there's that cooler air, those clouds lingering, and then we'll clear that right back out though to end the week. So more mild temperatures return Thursday, Friday, and really Saturday too, but we'll see some scattered clouds in and out before the next front brings some scattered rain on Sunday. If you got fall festivals at your church, heads up. We're also keeping an eye out for that to linger into Monday on Halloween.